This lesson we're going to be creating a quick function to sort rows within a spreadsheet. So we can sort it by any of the columns. We just provide the index value of the column, run the script, and then that will sort all of the content within the sheet according to which column that we've selected. This example, we're going to be sorting rows, so selecting your Google Sheet and then going under the extensions, and under extensions select Apps Script, and that will open up your Apps Script editor. So what we want to do is we want to create a function that's going to sort the rows. So give the function a name, and then we want to select the sheet object. So we can use the spreadsheet, and using the spreadsheet app service, we get the active spreadsheet, and that's going to select the main spreadsheet object. And you can output that into the logger log, and that will output it as a spreadsheet object. So when we run the sort rows function, there's our spreadsheet. And now we want to select the actual sheet itself. So whatever the active sheet is, or we can select the sheet by the name. And in this case, we're going to use the spreadsheet object and then get the active sheet. So it's going to return back whatever the current active sheet is and output the sheet there within the log. So depending on what we've selected as the active sheet, that will change whenever we're running the script and whatever sheet has been selected and is active. And then you can also get the sheet name, and this will output the sheet name so that you know which exactly one you are working with. So I'm working with sheet 1. If we select sheet 3, we run the script, it's going to output the sheet as well, so whatever the current active sheet is. And in order to change to the different sheets, you can select all of the sheet objects from the main spreadsheet and then select those as needed. So right now what we want to do is we want to work with sheet 1. So we're selecting the sheet 1, and then we're going to be organizing and sorting the rows in ascending order. So select the index value of the column that we want to sort, and we'll just call it sort column. So whatever column that we want to sort by, so in this case we're going to sort by column number 2, so index value of 2. And this way you can make it more dynamic by selecting the different columns that you want to sort. We select then the sheet object, and then here we can enter in the sort column. So it's going to be specifying the column that we want to sort. Run the sort, and so now we've got the sorting that's being done where we're selecting the column and we're sorting it by that column. So now if we change it to 3, and if we run the code again, it'll sort it now by column number 3, and it's sorting all of the values. So that's also number C there. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, C, C, and 4. And let's run that one more time. So that way, as that was selected, so that's why that didn't sort at the time, but now that we've committed and we've added in the changes, that 4 we're able to sort. So this is a quick and easy way that you can sort the sheet content by whatever column that you're selecting, so by the column index value.